to talk about a few things today, but the main objective is why make business so hard, okay? Why not make it easier? What that means is this. If somebody reach out, you're selling a product, you're selling the services, why make it hard to get in contact with you? Why make it hard to shop with you? One thing I don't like is when someone put a beautiful product up or a nice item that they have and I want to buy it, I want a link right then and there. Because 9 times out of 10, if you do not provide a link, I'm not going to buy it right then. And so make the process easy. If I have to pay you and beg you for your services or your product, it just don't work optimally. You lose clients, you lose money by not making the process easier. So I want to give y'all some tips on how to make the process easier when you're a product or a service-based businesses.